working. Oh, okay, we're gonna have to fix that next. Oh no, my garbage disposal broke. Okay, the plug's not tripped, so we're doing good so far. Okay, there's a button on it. It's a little red button.
Let's get pull.
I don't know. We're gonna push the button. Whoa! I hear it.
Oh, turn it on.
Okay. Okay, I heard it. So I pushed the button and it went, "Rrrr," and then it turned itself off. So we'll see. By the way, I just replaced this unit, I don't know, a year, maybe 2 years ago. So it better not have broken on me. Okay, so of course I took a quick little break because turns out, Rowan, they don't have the wrenchy thingy on the bottom. You have to go in through the top. So let's go in through the top. Oh, and I don't have the tool that's specific for it. So let's see what we can figure out. Disclaimer, I have no clue what I'm doing. It's doing nothing. I need a specific tool, so we'll come back to this when I get a tool.